National Weather Service in St. Louis. Flash flood warning for northeastern Callaway County, Central Montgomery County, northern 6 a.m. until 6 a.m. to 54 a.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is radar indicated. The following impacts are flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, streets, underpasses, as well as other low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Warrington, Montgomery City, New Florence, Jonesboro, Truesdale, Bellflower, Mineola, Williamsburg, Shamrock, Forestal, Pine Hill, and Danville. This includes the following state parks: Grand Cave State Park. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 155 and 200. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is recognizing the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings. Drive on flooded roads. A flash flood warning has been issued for the following Missouri. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Callaway County, central Montgomery County, northern Warren County, until 6 a.m. At 2:54 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Warrington, Wright City, Montgomery City, Avos, New Florence, Jonesburg, Truesdale, Innsbrook, Bellflower, Mineola, Williamsburg, Shamrock, Forestal, Pine Hill, and Danville. This includes the following state parks: Grand Cave State Park. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 155 and 200. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 a.m. for the following.